Do you know how to use all the VIP features of CAD Reader for free? Well, to earn free license is super easy. So first, open CAD Reader and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, please register one by clicking on Register Account. If you forget your password, just click the Forget Password to set a new password. After logging in, clicking on the account, then you will find this promotion, Invite Friends to get free VIP. Click on it, then you will get more information about it. So, for every friend who is new to CAD Reader and used your invitation code, we will give you and your friend a 30 days free VIP up to a limit of 180 days free VIP per year. This is your invitation code. Just copy this message to your friends and guide them to download CAD Reader. After they log into CAD Reader and entered your invitation code, the invitation is done. You can check the invitation status here. You will find your invitation code, how many free VIP licenses you have earned, and who have used your invitation code successfully. If you have any questions, just contact us.